Hello guys, it's another day here in Alexandria, Louisiana. So for today's video, tutulungan ko kayo gumawa ng diet drinks that has pineapple, lemon, and ginger. So maganda to pag nagda-diet talaga kayo and makakatulong din sa digestion nyo. So ngayon, yung one whole pineapple, ni-slice ko lang siya ng ganito ka thick. And then I slice it into pieces para magkasya siya dun sa grinder at hindi mahirapan yung grinder pag naipasok mo na dun. And then later, for the lemon, you just gonna slice it as well into pieces and make sure to remove all yung mga buto-buto kasi that will taste like bitter pag hindi nyo tanggalin. And for the ginger, just remove the skin and then slide into pieces as well. And then later, I will show it to you once it's all combined in the grinder. So there you go guys. Ilagay ko na lahat yung mga ingredients sa mixer. Ayan. So mamaya, ang gagawin natin, i-grind lang muna natin siya and then I'll put the water in it para mas lalong yung juice niya. Yeah. So after yan, lalagyan na natin siya ng water. Not a lot. I think that's it. Yeah, pwede na yan. And then, I'm gonna put this back. There you have it guys. So we already made a pineapple, lemon, ginger juice. Kaya gumawa na rin kayo kasi it's really good for your health and good for your digestion as well.